The Galaxy S24 Ultra is slated to be released early next year as Samsung's next flagship smartphone. A new rumor promises to disclose the Galaxy S24 Ultra camera characteristics, and Samsung might surprise its followers with its choice months before its release. Over the last 3 years, Samsung's top Galaxy S series phones have offered a dedicated 10MP telephoto camera with 10x optical zoom. The Galaxy S21 Ultra, Galaxy S22 Ultra, and Galaxy S23 Ultra feature a maximum optical zoom of 10x, but Samsung may reduce that amount, making their choice ambiguous. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a 50MP telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. It is also said to include a 10MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. If this is the true, we might see the Galaxy S24 Ultra's optical zoom reduced from 10x to 5x. The 10x periscope camera that Samsung's Ultra phones have offered for many years has earned them a spot among the top camera phones on the market. Unfortunately, a leaker has since claimed that this may no longer be the case. On X, leaker Ice Universe claimed that the Galaxy S24 Ultra would ditch the 10MP 10x periscope camera in favor of a 50MP 5x telephoto camera. If confirmed, this would be a letdown since Samsung's Ultra phones have long been the only handsets featuring 10x periscope cameras. The 10x camera wasn't flawless, since it only offered a paltry 10MP resolution for 3 generations, but it still generated long-range zoom photos that were often better than those from competing phones. This camera also enabled you to capture video at a natural 10x magnification, resulting in excellent video quality at this magnification. We've seen phones like the Google Pixel 7 Pro use image cropping from a 48MP 5x periscope camera combined with imaging smarts to deliver good 10x shots, but picture quality quickly degrades when you exceed 15x, so we'd expect the S24 Ultra to face a similar challenge if it does indeed opt for a 50MP 5x camera. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.